Hey guys, Shannon Roddy from Marketplace Seller Courses, and today I want to talk about unauthorized resellers. Okay, this is one of the most common things that I see with companies and brands, and a lot of companies have no idea what they can do to solve this problem. They're like, well, there's just unauthorized resellers selling on the listing. There's nothing I can do about it. Wrong, there is. And there's some great strategies that will help you, and there's also tools and companies and services that can help you deal with and clean up unauthorized resellers. So first, let's talk about what an unauthorized reseller is. An unauthorized reseller is simply somebody who's selling your product on the Amazon platform without your express permission, right? So it's important to have distribution enforcement agreements in place where when you sign up with retailers or companies, you're letting them know, hey, you're not allowed to sell our product on Amazon. But there's usually leakage in the distribution chain and people get a hold of your product one way or another. And at some point, you're gonna find other people trying to sell your product on Amazon, whether it's on your listing or a listing that they created. Typically, they're not optimized. And the biggest challenge this causes for brands is the quality of the product. You don't know where that product came from. You don't know how well it's been stored. You don't know how well it's been transported. If it's a food product, you don't know if it's within the expiration date. And all of those things play into the customer experience. And typically, if it has not been handled well, it's going to result in negative product reviews, which can impact the product for the life of the company or for the life of the time that the product is on Amazon. So let's talk about how you deal with unauthorized resellers. The first thing you have to do is identify them. Now, if you've ever done this before, you know it's a struggle of figuring out who are these people. There's two companies that do this really well, eEnforce and BrandGuard. Now, eEnforce is great if you have multiple channel problems like eBay and Walmart and Amazon, and they're going to be able to do a snapshot of all the unauthorized resellers and then help you create a strategy to be able to identify them and also remove them. BrandGuard is great if you just have a problem on Amazon. They're going to be able to do that same thing, catalog and identify those unauthorized resellers and get them off of the listing. This all starts with one thing, and that is a registered trademark. So if you do not have a registered trademark, you need to go out and get one, start the process today. We've got a link to our favorite law resource, Gearhart Law, below. But make sure that if you have unauthorized resellers on Amazon, you understand the impact of this. There's two last little pieces of this. Number one is if you have an unauthorized reseller selling your product on Amazon, they're probably not sending feedback emails, right? They're not reaching out to the customer and they may not be providing great customer service. That's going to be a problem for you because it means your customers aren't getting a great customer experience. On the other side, your campaigns can't run when you don't win the buy box. So just understand that there's a huge significant amount of sales probably going through your listing. Jungle Scout is a great tool that you can use to actually estimate what the percentage of sales are or what the total sales of your product is on Amazon going through unauthorized resellers. So know that having unauthorized resellers can be a huge problem. It can be a huge impact on your company. And there are definitely ways that you can resolve this issue. We've worked with companies to get 100% cleaned up. And I can tell you the customer service goes through the roof. The campaigns are able to run efficiently and the positive product reviews increase. If you have any questions about this, feel free to drop it in the comments section below. I look forward to answering any questions that you have. You can follow us on social media at Facebook, at marketplacesellercourses.com, on YouTube, or on Instagram. And as always, I want to definitely recommend that you check out my podcast that just released called The Marketplace Expert, everywhere podcasts are found, where I interview high-level Amazon experts about Amazon strategy to help entrepreneurs like yourself successfully launch, grow, and protect your brand on Amazon. Thanks for watching.